Guys, welcome back to my channel Conversations with Aditi. I am Aditi Pardal and I make videos on spirituality, philosophy, manifestation, personal development, love, life, lessons, and a lot more. So today's topic is relationship with yourself. Whenever we hear the term relationship, trust me, you're always looking for either a partner or a friend or your parents. Whenever the term relationship comes, we are always focused on people outside of your own self. You are never focused on what is your relationship with yourself, because everything starts with us. Especially when you embark on your healing journey, you will realize that the main learning of that journey is that maintaining and building a good relationship with yourself. Because once you build a good relationship with your own self, everything else changes in your external reality also. Your relationship with other people also improves. And this happens like a domino effect. This happens very naturally. Why? Because now you have made that effort to first build that relationship with yourself. Because trust me, guys, you can never count on other people. In a way, we can't change other people, we can't mold other people, and you should not, in fact. But you can change yourself, you can mold yourself to fulfill your needs. And while doing this process, when you know what are you looking for, what are your needs, and when you start fulfilling all of those needs and wants, your mental needs, your emotional needs, your physical needs, and everything, you know now when you look out for partners or even friendships, it's not coming from a place of lack. Then that comes out of from the place of love and respect and companionship and partnership. Let's say you're looking for a partner where you want somebody to take care of you. Now ask yourself, are you taking care of yourself? If you're looking for somebody in your life, be it a friend, parent, partner, anybody who can provide you with stability, be it emotional stability or financial stability, please ask yourself, are you stable on your own? Let's say the whole world collapses today and you are the only person left. Can you take care of yourself? Can you take care of your emotional needs? Can you take care of your mental needs? Can you take care of your financial needs? Let's say you want to go to a vacation and nobody is agreeing to it. Can you take yourself to a vacation? Can you love yourself when you are crying? Can you love yourself and take care of yourself when you have done something wrong? Because when we do something wrong, we feel guilty, our consciousness feel guilty. But and we expect other people to forgive us. But in that moment, please ask yourself, can you forgive yourself? Can you pamper yourself? Can you love yourself? And what does loving yourself even mean? What does loving yourself mean? It means that yes, you can take care of yourself, you can correct. Most of the times we're looking for, we want people to correct their actions, but are you correcting your actions for yourself? Let's say you have to get discipline, are you getting discipline in your life? Are you taking that effort? Because if you're not taking that effort, it means that you are not your priority. Making yourself a priority means what? It means that you will be doing things which are important for you. Now you're not running on autopilot mode, you are doing things which will improve your future conditions, which will make you become a better person in the future as well. Guys, it's always said that love is an action, and it comes same when you'll start loving yourself also. When you have to build a relationship with yourself, it is not just you are journaling, or you are taking yourself out for shopping. No, it is also reflecting on what are your wrongs that need to be corrected for your own self. Because there are many things in life that we do which are not catering to us, which are not fulfilling us, but we are doing it maybe because we're autopilot. We are used to doing certain things, and it just happens, but they are not fulfilling us, they're not good for us. So what does building a relationship with yourself means? It means taking care of your all the needs, be it mental needs. Are you taking breaks? Are you giving your mind a rest? Are you contemplating? Are you introspecting yourself, your emotional needs? Can you take care of yourself in your low times? Can you forgive yourself? Can you pamper yourself? Can you speak to yourself with loving words? Because when things are not going right, or when we do something wrong, most of the chances are that we do not speak to us with a loving language. Let's say you want to lose weight, are you taking care of that? Are you going to gym? Are you working out? Are you eating good? Are you changing your lifestyle? Because everything boils down to what is your relationship with yourself. Because If you're neglecting your own needs, if you're neglecting what should be done for your own self, it means you are not a priority in your life. And if you are not prioritizing yourself, how can you expect other people to do so? If you feel something off from other person, can you take a stand for yourself there? Can you speak out that you are not feeling good about a certain thing? Because if you're not doing so, it means you're putting yourself on the back burner. So every action that you are taking and every non action that you are taking is defining what is your relationship with yourself. So today, please reflect that whatever you are seeking from other people, be it your husband, your wife, your partner, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your friendships, are you giving yourself those things? Because most of the times we take 10 steps for other people, but we are not even taking 2 steps for our own selves. Ask yourself that, are you respecting yourself? And what is the respect basically? Please ask yourself. We expect other people to respect us, but what is respecting your own self? It means doing the correct thing always for your own self. Now you're not putting yourself on the back burner. I have realized this about myself, that if I'm procrastinating something and it needs to be done, it means I'm not prioritizing it. It means I'm not taking care of myself. If I know that something needs to be done and I'm not doing it, what does it mean? That I'm not a priority in my life. So, what is my relationship with myself? My own relationship now boils down to that, Aditi, you are not a priority in your life. Now, how can I expect other people to do so? Similarly, if I'm not taking care of myself in any way, and if other people now don't take care of me, why I can't be sad about that? Why? Because I am also not doing. So please build a relationship with yourself. So first define what is a relationship for you. What is the meaning of a relationship? And then take everything to yourself, that are you fulfilled? Are you checking out all these things which you are looking for in a relationship? When you do this exercise, please let me know that what were your realizations, because trust me, you are going to realize that you're not checking off that list for your own self.